So guys, a quick analysis on our pound JPY. Please, I want you to know, subscribe before you go. Subscribe. I want you to like, share before you just go. Before you leave this channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Now you can see on our pound JPY, we can see on our 4-hour time frame, we're actually going bullish. And I want you to know something, that we are actually going to be closing bullish for today. And why I said is that at least we'll be closing above this our liquidity area on our 4-hour time frame. And if you have to take your buy position, if you are watching it now, you will see that we are actually have about 94 pips to grab, 94 pips to grab on our pound JPY. So take your buy position, and to even confirm it, to get a confirmation, we are going to be using our moving average, 10-period moving average. You can see we are still going bullish, except our price breaks, comes down below our 10-period moving average. Then I will say stay away from this trade. But above it all, we are going bullish on our 4-hour time frame. You can see on our 1-hour time frame, our price has already hit our 10-period moving average. You can see it. Good opportunity to take your buy position now. No waiting, no long talk. Just take your buy position straight upward. A good pips to grab for today, because our pound will be closing bullish against our JPY for today. We can see our JPY index is still falling, by the way, and we'll be closing bearish for today on our JPY index. So now on our JPY, on our pound JPY, still going bullish, by the way. Go upward and close, grab about between 85 to 90 plus pips to grab for today. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.